Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You're going to make the physical and software handshake now. First, plug your Android into the Mac using a data-capable cable. You should see a notification on the phone. Once visible, swipe down and choose Transfer Files or MTP because that tells Android to expose storage. On the Mac, open Android File Transfer or Finder if you installed an appropriate tool. If prompted, allow access on the phone. This authorizes the Mac to read and write files. Don't skip that permission. Now you'll move data reliably. Open the Android File Transfer window or the device entry in Finder. Browse to the folder you want on either side. Then drag a selection or use copy and paste. Dragging preserves folder structure, while paste gives precise placement. If you transfer many gigabytes, keep both devices plugged into power and set screen timeout to never for the duration, because interrupted transfers can corrupt files. When done, verify a few files open correctly on the Mac before ejecting. Complete the session properly. In Finder or Android File Transfer, click Eject or close the connection and then unplug the cable. If the Mac doesn't see the phone, try a different cable and USB port. Many cables are charge-only, so swap to a known data cable. Also make sure the phone's USB mode is set to transfer files and enable USB debugging in developer options if problems persist. As an alternative, consider wireless tools like AirDride or KDE Connect for wireless syncing when cables fail.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.